Hello everybody and welcome back to Project L405. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a set of lift rods, which means we're finally doing something cool to this car instead of just maintenance stuff. For this particular lift, we're going to use a 1-inch set of our Proud Rhino lift rods, but they are available in 1.5 and 2-inch. The tires before you are the one we're going to use. Here's the stock jobby, and then we're going to put on a 275/60/20 with our Gotham wheel. It's going to transform this car. I think nothing visually transforms more so than a set of chunky tires and some cool wheels. After that, I think lights change the dynamics of the vehicle, but tires are a must. They make the difference off-road for sure. So we wanted to always start there. All right, enough running my mouth. I'm excited to get to work, run the intro, and we'll meet right back. Okay, right here is the lift rod. That's the height sensor. You want to be careful on that. And you can see the lift rod's got a little bit of flex to it. First thing I like to do before I take them off is just give it a little bit of a little spray here. It's easier when there's not a camera in front of you, trust me. Now there's two parts. This part grabs the lift rod height, the height sensor, and the other part grabs the structure. I prefer to gently get it off the height sensor first. We don't want any problems. And that's why we use the lube. Height sensor's now out of the way. And then the upper one's pretty simple to pop right off. There's the lift rod. Nothing special about these. We're gonna set that aside in case you ever need to go back to stock. Here is the new lift rod. Now I'm gonna do it in reverse. I'm gonna push that on to the structure of the vehicle. And then we're going to just gently pop it in like that. That's it for the front. Let's go to the back. All right, here's the back one. It's right behind the shock. It's a little bit harder to get to. And we want to make sure that we lube it up good. Because it is harder to get to. I'm going to start at the bottom. And for this one, I give it a little bit of a wiggle back and forth. And then press with my thumb here and kind of pull it off. Being extra gentle not to snap that. I like to use my popper tool on the top. Yep, my hand's gonna be in the way. Let me see if I can get it. So I like the popper tool in there and I kind of pry it a little bit. And then off it comes. Next up, we're going to throw the rear one on. It is the longer of the two. I'm going to do it in reverse. Do the height sensor arm, and then just gently put it on the base. There you go. I have to say that lift kit is the easiest lift kit ever. I don't know of any other one that goes on faster or quicker. So if you're looking to lift one of these, check us out on the web. Now on to what everybody else is looking at. These tires, they're beautiful. I'm in love with them. They don't fit. So we're gonna have to postpone Project L405's beauty shots outside until me and my little friend have some fun on this truck. But hey, that's why you watch. We do all the hard work, so you know what to do. All right, guys, with a little bit of disappointment, but we got something fun in the future. I'll see you on the next one.